welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it, honey. Let's talk about some body care. I feel like I haven't talked about body care in quite a while, just because there really hasn't been anything that has really sparked me to purchase. But I do have some thoughts on some products that I have tested and tried, and I wanted to do a this or that type of video. So if you're interested, let's get right into it. So I wanted to come on and give you all my thoughts on two products that I have been dipping dabbling into. So first up, I have from Youth to the People, I have the Hydrate and Glow Dream Body Butter. Have you all heard of this product? I purchased this on Sephora. I was interested. A lot of people were hyping this up, and I was like, I love a good body butter. Now, I will say the packaging, if we can talk about the packaging for a second. This is what we call classy. This is what we call heavy. Would I travel with this? Absolutely not. If I wanted to beat somebody over the head, and this is very heavy to me. It's very weighted. So I love the packaging, but this would not be something that I could stick in my bag and take with me, because I feel like this would weigh so much of all the other things that I would have in my bag. Let's talk about the smell, shall we? So the smell, it's very kind of subtle, okay? Very tea, very cocoa-y, buttery. I wouldn't say it's all the way cocoa butter. Yeah, but it has this hint of kind of a spa tea, so you do have kind of a tea note in this, I would assume. Oh yeah, green tea. There we go. So you do have that note in here, and I do smell that, so I do enjoy the scent. Okay, now the product. Okay. Now I love a good body butter, but when I say this thing has put me on to a different type of body butter. When I say luxury, what? This is so, it goes on so good, y'all. This is so good and soft. I have never put on a body butter that is so supple and soft and fluffy and plumping. It feels like not plumping as far as a plumping lift, that minty type of, no. This is very pillowy, soft. I don't feel greasy. I absolutely love this body butter. This feels so good. So my body butter lovers, hear me now. If you are looking for a good body butter, trickle on down to Sephora and get this. This is so divine. This really changed my thought of body butters. And again, just saying, okay? I know your sis be like, oh sis, you over dramatic. I know I be dramatic sometimes, but hear me, for real. This is so good. It's very soft. It leaves your hands very soft. It's so good, okay? And so if you're looking for a good body butter to put your money towards, this is one to get, okay? But let's talk about this other body butter that I have that has also been talked about, hyped, and loud and all the things. So let's talk about her. Fenty. Fenty. Now, I will say this is the Fenty cream, body cream perfume, okay? So this is a kind of a perfume type of body cream. Now, the packaging, let's go there. Packaging is weighted. Now, I would say this is a little bit heavier than this, but the packaging is weighted, right? Let's talk about the scent. Now, y'all, okay. I said it before. I came on here with my first impression, and I said it smells like a perm. And I was like, well, maybe I gotta test it and try it and blah blah. You know, maybe it's not perm. Y'all, still perm. This is perm. So y'all want to smell like perm? Because this is, and again, it's just my nose, but this was very hyped up. But this gives me white perm. Yeah. I love the parfum version of Fenty. I love that. But I don't get it. I like the perfume than the cream scent of it. Yeah, I can't. Okay. I don't know. Like, I just. Okay. Anyway, now, when we put it on, like, does it hydrate? You know, does it feel good? Yes, right? It feels good. It hydrates. I feel like it does what it needs to do. Now, I would say, if I'm comparing, this does a little bit more fluffier texture, softer than this. But this is good. Yeah, I still get perm, but the feeling of it, yeah, it's luxury. It's nice. It's cool. I'm sure you all know, but and I can't even close it because it got this thing in here, and it's a lot going on. It's a lot going on. Anyway, I'm sure you all know my thoughts of this or that. I would definitely go for this, then that. Now, will I be using this? Do you know me? You know me. I am, of course, going to be using it. I'm going to be using the perm. I'm going to be using the perm Fenty buttercream. I'm going to use it because I spent my coins on it, and it is what it is. It's going to be used, like, period. It is. This would be a repurchase. So that's the difference. This I will definitely not repurchase. Thank you all for suggesting it. It's just not my cup of tea. Okay. But this I would absolutely repurchase. It is amazing. Highly would recommend. If you were choosing from one or the other, in my humble opinion, I would get the youth to the people. I would get this body cream over this. Like, that's just my opinion. You can have your own thoughts and opinion. We love them all. But that's all I got to say about that one. Okay, moving on. Next up, let's talk about some citrus body wash. Some luxury citrus body wash, okay? So, let's talk about Whispers of Truth, okay? From House of Sillage. As you can tell, I've been using this up, absolutely. The packaging, I think it is really good, right? Very simplistic. I think it looks good in your shower. If you are about the aesthetic things of life, I think this would fit very perfect with that type of aesthetically pleasing, eye pleasing. I do like how the packaging looks. The actual foam or the lather of this product, I think it's really good for a kind of a perfume house or a perfume fragrant body wash. I think this is really, really good in lather. I really appreciated this. It feels really good, very soft lather. I absolutely enjoyed this. The scent of this, let's go there. It is citrus. It reminds me totally of Whispers of Truth, the actual perfume. One and the same, very great pairing. This is very brightening. I absolutely enjoyed this. Would I repurchase this? If it was on sale, yes. If it was on sale, I would repurchase this. I would say the only reason why I wouldn't be like, yeah, no matter what it costs, sis, I'm gonna get it, Why I'm not on one of those moments or trains is because I wish that the scent would have lasted longer. I felt like it was very fragrant in the shower, which I do enjoy. But when I stepped out, I wasn't even able to experience it only like even a little bit. So if it was on sale, I would absolutely repurchase this. I wish this would last a little bit longer and linger on. But I've really enjoyed this. I really don't look for like the perfume body washes as a moisturizing type of situation. I just don't look for those moments with this type of body wash, but I really enjoyed it. Again, I would purchase it on sale. Okay. Now, let's talk about this one. So this body wash is from Sephora, right? You're like, girl, what is this? Okay, yeah. I said the same thing. But I was looking for something refreshing, something citrus, and I saw on this body wash, which is, again, aesthetically pleasing, right? I think one and the same. This really would look good in the shower, kind of set the mood. This was really good. This is a pump. I enjoyed this, right? Of packaging. So we have the pink grapefruit in here. We have bergamot and cardamom. So I was like, okay, so maybe it's like a spicy but citrusy grapefruit type of fragrance. Like I was excited. I was like, and even with the pink grapefruit, maybe it'd be a little sweeter. I'm like, yes, this is up on my alley. Like, sign me up. And this is from Milk and Honey. Okay, or Milk and Honey. Milk and Honey. We're gonna go with that. So tried this, right? Let's talk about the lather. The lather, where was it? Let's just go to the end. The lather, and it dried my skin. Let's just go to the end. Yeah, nah, I ain't like this. I can't even, I was trying to go up, build up to the moment of my thoughts. Girl, I ain't like this. Okay? It was drying on my skin. I didn't appreciate none of it. No. Would I repurchase? No. I don't even want to finish it. But am I going to finish? Yeah, I'm going to finish it. I'm going to have dry body finishing this because it's my money. I'm going to finish it. And I think, well, you probably can't see it, but I am like here on this. So we almost there. I would not repurchase this again. Now, the scent, was it good? It was okay. It was definitely, it was definitely grapefruit, right? Very linear citrus, okay? So if you want a citrus of dryingness, you know, hop on down to Milk and Honey and get this body wash, you know? Hook yourself up. So, would it be this or that? I'm sure you all know it would definitely be this. And definitely don't even get that. Don't make that a this. No. No. I don't even know what to... Just disrespectful. I just feel like this body wash is just disrespectful. Okay? Moving on. And last but certainly not least, let's get into it. I have 2 body creams, right? They say cremes, so we'll go with another body cream. But these have been talked about in the past. I have Glow Recipe, and this is Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream, okay? And then I also have like a more very hyped coconutty type of scent, which is Way, and this is the body creme. This is the St. Bart scent that is so popular, right? Packaging. I love this packaging. It kind of gives me lotion packaging, so I did not mind this at all. The actual lather and the product of this, really good. Did it do what it needed to do? Yes. Watermelon? Yes. If you're looking for watermelon, you're looking for something creamy and nice and not oily, but feels so good, and watermelon. Did I say watermelon? Yes. It did all the things and more. This is watermelon. This is watermelon cream, and it feels so good. Would I repurchase this? Absolutely. Like give me another one. Like somebody just send it to me. Like this is So good. I would absolutely repurchase this. Absolutely. Now, let's talk about Miss Popular. Okay, St. Bart's scent is very, very popular. Okay, you are probably looking at me like you better not say nothing about my St. Bart's. I'm gonna talk about her. Okay, I love this scent. Okay, St. Bart's. Well, let me open it up. St. Bart. I don't even have to open it and I smell it, right? But St. Bart's all day, every day. Love this scent. It's amazing. It is vacation in a bottle. And you're like, sis, I know you about to say something crazy. I know you about to say something. Well, thank you for knowing your sis. Now listen, I love the scent. Now, the cast that it leaves on here, I don't like that. I don't like that it takes you all day. You see that? You see it. You see it. You see it. You see me. You see it. I don't like that you have to work it in. That would be my only thing. I just don't like that you have to work it in. Could it just go on real smooth and supple? And can we just move to that direction? If we can reformulate this and just have it like soothing your skin, just a lot better, then this would be A1. But I'm gonna give it a B minus. I gave it a B minus. I ain't give it a C. She can still pass. But if I'm pairing this or that, girl, it would be this, then that. Now, would I repurchase this? I might. It depends. Maybe I'll put this on my wish list. Like for somebody to gift it to me. Because maybe I don't want to put my money towards it. Okay, that might be it. I don't think I want to put my money towards it. So it can be a gift. But I would repurchase this with my coin. I would definitely repurchase this because I love a good watermelon. I love the scent though too. But this just goes on beautiful. Just beautiful. You want to? I'll show you. I'll show you. You want? Okay. It just don't give me the streaks and the stuff as the. See, look at that. You know, it just glistens and shines, and then it just be in your skin. You know what I mean? Just ways you just gotta. And don't put it on a big part of your body. You know. But that's all. Okay. Well, that's all, family, for my thoughts on this or that body care style. Okay. Let me know what body care products you have tried recently. I would love to know. Again, I haven't been so hyped about getting new body products, but I would love to know if you have experienced anything that I need to test and try and bring it to the channel. I would love to do so. Okay. Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.